Welcome back everybody, Chris here at Review It All. Today I wanted to show you guys how to install a new door handle in your car. See mine, I'm losing pieces, it's on its way out. So we're going to go ahead and replace that. I picked up one on Amazon. I figured I better install it before I lose it in the house. So this is as good a time as ever because, there's only a matter of time before it's junk. And today I'm going to be using the Lee-Champ 41-piece mini ratchet screwdriver set. That's all I'm going to use to change this door. Let's get started. So in this kit we got regular screwdriver heads, Phillips screwdrivers, squares, octagons and star bits, and a few little sockets here, extension, a bit, and a screwdriver. So we'll go ahead and get started and see where we end up. So this is a 2003 Toyota Camry. Broken door handle, as you can see. So we're going to start by removing this black pad in the rest, and you'll see a screw there that'll lift this part up. So let's go ahead and get that. So we'll go ahead and put a Phillips bit on there. Go ahead and loosen that out. Okay, we got that screw. Go ahead and keep all this down here on the floor. And you're just going to easily pop this out. Okay, go ahead and put a regular screwdriver bit on there so we can pop it out. Real simple. There we go. That's out. And then we got a couple of plugs here that we'll undo. Real simple. And that's out of the way. And we'll keep going. So with these pieces removed, you can see the inner parts of the door. We're going to go ahead and take out that big screw, and that'll be it on this piece. So we'll go ahead and take that out. So we're going to take off our regular bit and put on our bigger Phillips bit, and we'll get in there and loosen it. Screwdriver holds up pretty well. It's not really stripping out or letting go. Just a big screw here. So we got that screw out of the way. Go ahead and put that in there. Set our kit down. And now we're going to move to the screws underneath here. Should be a couple there that we'll go ahead and remove. Then we'll have another one behind that little plastic round part. Okay, so we're going to hit these two screws first. They're Phillips head. We're going to take our screwdriver bit, Phillips, okay, this bit's a little too big, so we're going to go to our smaller Phillips. Oh, much better. Get that one out of the way. And this one out of the way. We got those two done. Now we're going to go up here. So behind this, you got this little plastic panel, and you have another Phillips screw. Okay, we got that one out. And then we're going to pop this panel off. This little circle bit here, you can get to the screw behind. And we got our set here. Just going to put a little bitty regular screwdriver head on here. So we can pop this off. Just like so. And that'll expose our screw back there. So we got that out of the way. We're going to go back to a Phillips. And take that off. All with our little set, we should be good to start popping this door panel off. If I remember how. Okay, I think I might be forgetting a piece here somewhere. There we go. There we go. Okay, we're going to go back to our regular bit here. We'll pop this off. There we go, cut that out of the way. And pick our panel up, and off it goes. We'll unhook those out of our old door handle. As you can see, that piece is junk. So we'll go ahead and get the new one ready and put in. Okay, we got the new door handle here. Open it up. There we go. Got that plastic piece in there that we're going to remove and install later. So real simple, fits right in. And then we're going to put our new cables back in. And luckily I know right where this one goes because of right where it came out. So that's in there. And that's in there. And that's as easy as it is, folks. Hopefully pop it right back on. It's always so much easier to take off than it is to put on. There we go. Gonna put this piece back on. Always a little harder than it seems. Go back on. There we go there. And we'll start putting our screws back in. Go back to our set here. Use our Phillips. And just put it back on the way we took it off. I mean, it really only takes about 5-10 minutes to change the door handle. We got one there. That is quick. Got this one here. Okay, that part's done. Pop our tabs back in here. Okay, we got the 2 screws underneath, which were real simple. Get them in. You can tell how fast this door panel is going back on because it's been one fluid video and it hasn't taken me even 5 minutes to do. So you can see how easy this can be done by yourself at home. Got one here. Sorry guys, been having video problems. So let's pick back up. We'll go ahead and plug these back in. 1 and 2. Slide that back in and put our last screw in. There we go. So we'll go ahead and put our black piece back in. And we'll put our plastic piece back on. And we're done. Oh, one more. Oh, there we go. Got our plastic little cover here. And we're done. And that's a complete tear down and build up of putting in a new door handle. For this whole door handle install, we used one kit. And that kit was a Lightchamp 41-piece mini ratchet screwdriver set. And it has lots of great bits in it. Very handy around the house. My wife keeps it in the house for little do-it-yourself things around the house. Keeps it out of the shop so I don't lose pieces, but been a really good product. Real strong, nothing's been broke yet, nothing's stripped out. It's been great. If you guys would like to pick up one of these, I'll post a link in the description. And thanks for watching.